Hey, what is up guys, BlueApple here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys some of the essential commands of running your own server or just try to have some fun with your friends. First thing you want to bring up the console command key, which is below the escape key. You press on it, you'll see like the black bar in the bottom. If you press it again, you can turn it into a window where whatever you type, the console command doesn't go away. But if you only use the black bar version, the command will go away. And so the first command you really need to use is called enablecheats, and you want to make sure to have them together and don't forget the S at the end, spacebar, and here you want to type in your password. So for me, let me think, it's peanuts, right? You will know if this worked or not by typing in cheat fly. You're then able to fly, and if you type in cheat walk, you can drop back down, right? Not too difficult. So in order to find the password, it is somewhere within the settings of whatever website you hosted your server from, or if you watch one of my videos, you hosted your own server. Go back to whatever document you were using, and the command that we had here, if you look through this, the password will be somewhere along here. Let's see, I think it's went too fast. So here, server admin password. So this is your password. For me, this is different, and you can change it to whatever you want. You want to keep the question mark there as well. Do not remove that. And then just same again, click here, save as, and then select save as all files type. Type in server startup .bat, really important. So this way you just kind of override whatever server bat file you have already, and then you click save, you click on it, the server starts up, and then you have this password now. Okay, so back to the console commands. We've already showed you the cheat fly and cheat walk, right? One of the most important ones is people want to know what kind of, or how to get resources. So you want to type in cheat, GFI actually, GFI. This is really important. You type in wood, and make sure you put underscore. And then you can only get maximum of 500. As you can see here on the left side, 500 lightwood right here. Now the reason you want to have the underscore on the wood, I'll show you exactly what I mean. If you just type in without the underscore, it still gives me some wood, but if you take a look at here, it gives me the wood from Ark. So it's not, you can't really use it in this game, so it's kind of useless. You want to make sure you have the underscore. So same with like general resources, fiber, stone, metal, I think as well. So one of the things I noticed is for certain things, like for example the bones, the material for bones is called keratinoid, but if you type in cheat, GFI, keratinoid, with or without the underscore, there's nothing. There's nothing. Let's type that again without the underscore. There's nothing. It doesn't give you anything. So you can try to be more creative with this. And I figured out that if you type in shells, so it's actually cheat GFI shell 500. Now this way you'll get the 500 keratinoid. So let's say you want a carbine. If you type in cheat GFI carbine 100, it doesn't give you a carbine, right? So here you actually need to type in sniper. It gives you a common carbine. So in order to figure all these kind of common commands out, you can look to type in show my admin manager. So here you get a list of commands. You can say add experience, how much floor, blah 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 blah. One thing I haven't figured out yet is how to find my player ID. I have no clue how to find that. So that's something I kind of help you guys with. But if you have another player in the server, they can look into you, they can look straight at you, they can see your ID, and that way you can find out the ID. But since I'm playing solo, or just kind of showing you guys the commands, I can't really figure it out. And you can see this is all the kind of stuff, right? Let's say here, give creative mode, cheat, give creative mode. So let's take a look. Skills, look, I have everything unlocked now because I used the creative mode. And then my food, hunger, health, everything went up. And I can craft everything. I'll show you one more interesting one before we stop here. So here, SSF ship name. let's take a look here. Cheat SSF brigantine, right? And then you get a brigantine that is immune to any sort of damage. It doesn't give a damn about wind, it just goes straight on, as you can see here. Pretty cool, pretty interesting. There's a ghost ship, they want to attack us, and you can sail about with this. So one last thing before we end the video, when you type in show my admin manager, you can see all the commands, right? You want to make sure you type in cheat and then write one of these commands in. So here you will have most of the general commands that you can take a look at. So most of these stuff works besides the give resource, because the resource type is different, and the items are obviously different as well. But generally you can use most of these if you're confused on whatever. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Alice content. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.